Today's recipe is a kids special, and I've been getting a lot of requests asking for me to show you guys nice snacks for kids. So I'm going to show you guys a delicious snack, that is corn cheese fritters. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the corn fritters, I've taken 1 cup of boiled corn kernels. To this add 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Next add finely chopped coriander leaves. Next squeeze the juice of half lemon. To this add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida. Next I'm going to season it with 1 teaspoon of salt. Add freshly ground pepper. Next add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Next I'm going to grate 50 grams of mozzarella cheese. Mix everything together. Next I'm going to add some milk. The corn fritter mixture is ready. Take a pan. Once it's hot, add a little butter. Scoop a little bit of the corn fritter mixture. Drop it on the pan. Press it gently. Keep the flame on medium. Cook on both sides for about a minute. Once it's brown on one side, flip it to the other. When both the sides are a nice golden brown color, remove from the pan. Serve it hot. You can eat it as it or serve it with some ketchup. You can eat these corn cheese fritters as is or enjoy with some ketchup by the side. Now those of you who want to have a healthier option, you can actually enjoy it with some yogurt dip by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.